Hello, welcome to Artistic Adventures by Rosie, where the sun meets the gentle strokes of a pencil, creating enchanting sceneries in the west. Join me on a visual journey as we explore the warmth of sunlight blending with the artistry of a pencil strokes. Embrace the allure of nature's beauty as we embark on a creative odyssey through sun west pencil sceneries. In this artistic heaven, discover the magic of shadows dancing under the sun's golden glow, meticulously brought to life through the tip of the pencil. Join me in unraveling the stories whispered by each stroke where art and sunlight converge. Don't miss out on the mesmerizing fusion of imagination and reality. Subscribe to Artistic Adventures by Rosie for a symphony of visual delights. Let's paint with pencils and dance with sunlight together. Let's dive into the world of intricate details and captivating landscapes. Subscribe now and let your imagination unfold with every shade and line in Sun West pencil sceneries. Let the creative journey begin. Thank you.